Hello, my name's Robin from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this brilliant approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 30 TFSI. It comes dressed in the stunning Chronos grey, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done over 13,555 miles. Standing on 17-inch alloy wheels with a 5 twin spoke design. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the front sport seats with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, with a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the navigation map so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go, media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease. Below, you have the climate control system so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging points, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox, and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi A1 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.